will be bank account debit to share application and allotment account, because single installment, in single installment we write application and allotment together. So bank account debit to share application and allotment 15 lakh, 15 lakh, and then share application and allotment account debit to share capital 15 lakh, 10 lakh to share capital, and to security premium reserve 5 lakh.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any other doubt?
Sir, yes, sir. In question number 3, the Bharat Limited, in the note to accounts part, under subscribe capital, they have subscribed for 1,800 shares.
Okay.
So should it be the price of the share is 10 rupees, but along with the premium, it is 12 rupees.
Premium value is not given separately. Okay. So yes, premium is not given separately, that how much premium, it is given with the installment name. So 3 per share, it is 1 on application and 1 on allotment.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. So now, yes, sir.
So total is 12. Yes.
So now when we find the value for it, should it be 1,800 shares of rupees 10 each or 12 each?
Okay, actually, we have to calculate the value of application allotment separately. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We don't pass the journal entry with whole amount if the amount is payable in installment. In first case, the amount is payable whole in single installment. Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm asking this in the notes to account parts under subscribe capital.
Under subscribed capital.
So we have to write 1,800 shares of rupees dash each and the final amount.
Yes. So in that case, actually, the security premium reserve is part of reserve and surplus. Okay. So 2 rupees will go to reserve and surplus part. Only 10 rupees will be written in share capital.
Okay, sir.
So it will be written subscribed and fully paid up. In subscribed and fully paid up part, it will be 1,800 shares of rupees 10 each.
Okay, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All doubts are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we have to do security premium portion. Actually, you have already done some portion, but I've given you theory in previous class about security premium reserve or not?
So we were doing oversubscription in last class.
Oversubscription. So we have completed that part.
Yes, sir.
One minute. So now for feature.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is forfeiture, if you know the definition part?
The forfeiture is cancelling the shares because of non-payment of money.
Okay. Yes. So when a company forfeit the shares because a shareholder has not paid its installment. Okay. When the company asks for money on different calls and any shareholder is not able to pay the amount without you can say due to any reason. Okay, so we forfeit the shares after giving some notice. Actually, 2 or 3 notice we have to give before forfeiting the share. So that's why we have to give notice, and then if the amount is not yet paid, then we will forfeit the share.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is, you can see here, issue of share at premium.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the theory part of premium, security premium reserve, where it is shown and how to use the premium. So you can see when shares are issued at a price which is more than its nominal value, it is called shares issued at premium. Premium received is capital nature profit for company. I already told you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is credited to securities premium reserve account and is shown in the equity and liability side part of the balance sheet under the head shareholder fund and subhead of reserve and surplus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any excess money, if you have passed a journal entry, you have seen that we only transfer the price of share to share capital. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not extra, not less than that. So that's why in share capital, only the face value will be written. Any amount in excess of that will transfer to reserve and surplus.
Okay, sir.
So that's what your third question is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, utilization of security premium reserve, you can see here as per section 52, subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013, it can be used only for the following purposes. So these are the purpose we can utilize our security premium reserve. Apart from these, or except these situation, we cannot use any other thing uh, for our security premium reserve. So we cannot cancel the security premium reserve, or we cannot distribute dividend from security premium reserve like this. We cannot do all of these things. Okay, so these are the uses of security premium reserve. This is very important. So please write this or take a screenshot.
Okay, sir. Sir, I took screenshot.
Okay. Calls in radio is completed. Calls in advance to the subscription. Okay, now the forfeiture part. Actually, generally, it takes some more time to understand forfeiture, but you have to understand the concept in very little time. Okay, so forfeiture of share. I'm not going in a theoretical part, just explaining the things like as it is and how to solve the question for this. So when a shareholder uh, do not pay the amount on any call due to any reason, then company, after giving proper notice, it can forfeit the share. Now, the first entry that you have studied in call scenario, can you tell me the entry for call scenario? If let's say it is on allotment.
Um,
You don't remember?
1 minute, I'm trying to remember.
Okay. Actually, there is two situation. The first one, when calls in area account is not open, and the second when calls in area account is open. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the entry was bank account debit to share allotment, and the amount is after reduction calls in area. Okay. So due amount minus calls in area. And the second situation is bank account debit calls in area account debit, and 2, share allotment. So share allotment, full amount, bank received amount, and calls in area, the amount which is not received. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are entry for policy area. Now, due to this entry, we will forfeit the share. Now, in forfeiture, there is 2 situation also. Let's say there is 3 calls: application, allotment, and first call. Okay. So let's say someone did not pay the allotment money. So policy area in allotment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what do you think that if someone has not paid the allotment money, he will pay the first call?
No.
Yes, he will not pay the first call money also. Okay. So application is clear, allotment, call scenario, first call scenario. There is 2 call scenario. Now, there is one situation here where a company will forfeit this share that we have not received money. So company will forfeit the share immediately after allotment. Okay. He will not ask money on first call from those shares. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And sometimes company forfeit share after asking the first call also. So if someone did not pay any money on allotment, then we will wait until first call, and after asking money on first call, if he did not pay that money, then we will forfeit the share. So one is immediately after the first call, that is allotment, and the second is wait until the next call, that is first call.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, for forfeiture, there is a journal entry, because in forfeiture, actually, we have to cancel the amount we have written. Yes,
Yes, sir.
we have to cancel the related share. So for cancellation of share, first of all, we have to cancel the share capital account with the money transferred to this account. Okay. So you have to remember this: to share capital account debit to share capital account debit to share forfeiture account and to share allotment account and to share first call. Okay. So share capital, in front of share capital, you have to write amount called up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if we have not asked the full money, then we will not write the full share capital here. Let's say on 1,000 share, the price is at the rate ₹10, and we have asked only ₹8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's say on application it is 5, on allotment 3, and we have immediately forfeited the share after allotment here. So it means we have asked only ₹8.
Yes, sir.
So on those shares, these ₹2 is not demanded by the company, and it will not be transferred to share capital. It has not been transferred to share capital. So only ₹8 for the related share is transferred to share capital. So we will cancel only 8 rupees. That's why amount called up.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In share forfeiture means actually the Hindi meaning is jabt karna. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
what money we will forfeit?
Okay, sir.
What money we will forfeit?
So the amount not paid.
Amount not paid. Let's say I'm giving you example. Okay. I have order. Okay, I have ordered to supply 20 furniture. Okay, furniture
Okay,
set,
sir.
and I have received an advance of 10,000 rupees. The total amount is 1,50,000.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I have received the advance of 10,000. Now, the person who has given the order wants to cancel the order. So, which
Okay,
amount
sir.
I will forfeit?
So the 10,000.
The 10,000. A person can forfeit only those amount or only that amount that is in his hand. Yes,
Yes, sir.
means that is already received. You cannot forfeit amount which is not received.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we cannot forfeit the amount which is not received yet. So now what is your answer? Which amount will be forfeited?
So the application money.
The application money. Yes. So we will 5,000. Here 8,000. Okay. Now in share allotment, how much money we will write? Okay, let me tell you. The call we have made is also cancelled. Okay,
Sir, I don't understand.
not clear.
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm saying that call we have made is also to be cancelled.
So the allotment call.
Okay, so which call we have made here? Allotment.
Yes, sir.
So 3,000. Okay,
Yes, sir. That's
what about
correct.
first call? Should my voice?
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking a bit.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Actually, okay. So someone is using the Wi-Fi. That's why something is downloading. Okay. So what amount will be written in share first call?
Sir, is that also being cancelled?
2000 or what amount will be written in share first call?
Sir, we didn't call for the third
First,
installment.
yes, we didn't make a call for this. That's why it will not be written in this, because this amount is not included here also.
Yes, sir.
So this is your share for feature journal entry. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try a question for this. Could we solve a question of previous class that we have done? That is a little confusing question. The Mohan and Sohan.
Yes, sir.
This was actually the question. Yes.
Yes,
Or
sir.
yes. Okay. So which question was that? Question number. It is Sugandh Limited. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first entry was bank account debit to share application 2,76,000 and share application to share capital to bank and to share allotment. Okay, so 90,000 is adjusted against share allotment. Now, the person Sohan, we have calculated his value. Yes, here 600 into 5 by 3. So it is the applied share we have calculated in this case 600 into 5 by 3, that is 1,000 shares, and we have received 1,000 into 3 because 3 is an application money, so 3,000 we have received, but we can only utilize 600 into 3 because we have allotted only 600 share to Sohan. So we will utilize 1,800 of Sohan amount, and this 1,200 that is extra with us from Sohan, it will be used in allotment. And total allotment money is given 600 into 5, including premium. Okay, so we have received only 1,200 on allotment. Total money that we have to receive is 3,000 from Sohan, but this is the excess money, excess application money that can be utilized in this 1,200, and balance we will get 1,800, and this 1,800 is due and it is forfeited. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, only the 1,800 will be forfeited.
No. We will write. Sorry. Forfeited amount is different. We have forfeited the share for this 1,800, which is not received on allotment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The forfeiture amount will be this 1,200 and plus 1,800, 3,000.
Okay, sir.
Mohan. Now, what is the Mohan allotted share is not given. Mohan applied share is given. Okay, so we have to calculate allotted share. Allotted share was 800 into I think 3 by 4. So it is 600. Now he paid 800 into 3, that is 2,400 on application. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And we have utilized only 600 into 3 because we have allotted only 600 shares, 1,800, and excess amount is 600. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And it will be utilized on allotment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And how much allotment money we need to demand from Mohan?
So 600.
Only 600. I'm asking for allotment money due.
So
Yes.
6,000.
600 into 5. Allotment money you can see in the question. Yes or no?
Oh, yes, sir.
So we will ask for 600 share because the share allotted to him is 600, and we will ask 5 rupees per share on these 600 shares. So total amount we will ask on allotment is 3,000, and excess money that he already paid is 600. Balance 2,400 is due. Okay. Is this clear?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir, I understood.
So now we will pass the journal entry for allotment. So first entry we have done already, the application entry. Yes, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, the allotment entry. So in allotment, first we will pass the journal entry for due. So in due, we have to write premium also. Share allotment amount to share capital account and to security premium reserve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
$60,000 shares we have issued. So total money is 3 lakh. In which 3 rupees is for allotment and 2 rupees for premium. 60,000 into 2 and 60,000 into 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The next is bank account debit to share allotment account. How much money we will receive on allotment? This is the important question here because this is the most confusing part here. Now, total amount that we have demanded is 3 lakh. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in this 3 lakh, we have received extra amount of 90,000 at the time of application.
Yes, sir.
So how much money now we will get? We should get
So 2,10,000.
2,10,000. We will deduct 90,000 from here. But now two shareholders, Mohan and Sohan, did not pay some of the allotment money. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how much money they did not pay? For Mohan, it is 2,400. And for Sohan, it is 1,800. So 2,400 and 1,800 we will deduct now. So 4,100 more. 2,05,800. So 2,05,800. Tell me, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you do the calculation part correctly, then you will able to give this answer that how much money we have received.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So do you have any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
If you want to ask anything, you can ask because this is a little confusing part. Okay, now there is no entry for feature, but we will solve the question for this also. Let's pass the third entry also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so share first call account debit to share capital. Now on 60,000 shares, we will demand full amount because we have not forfeited the Mohan and Sohan shares yet. So we will ask full money.
Okay, sir.
So 60,000 into how much there is 5 rupees, 4 rupees, I think. Yes. Yes, 4 rupees. So 4 rupees, it is 2,40,000 and 2,40,000. But we will receive only money on how much shares? How many shares? Yes. Okay, let me change this a bit. I'm writing the calculation part here. Okay, how many shares we have given to Mohan and Sohan?
Sir,
Shares,
sir,
number of share I'm asking.
for Mohan, it is 1,000 shares, and Sohan it is 600 shares.
No, it is not correct actually. To both Mohan and Sohan, we have given 600 shares. The allotted share to Mohan is 600. Applied
Yes, sir.
share is given 800. Applied share is given 800. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And in case of Sohan, applied share is 1,000 and allotted share is 600 because we have calculated applied share. So you can see here 1,000 shares. So allotted share in both the cases is 600. So total call scenario on share first call will be 600, 600, 1,200. Into 4, we will not receive. So 4,800. Balance is 2,35,200. Is this clear? Is this clear, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
And we have calculated share allotment 60,000 into 3, that is 1,80,000 plus premium. You have to do calculation like this so you can easily understand things. 60,000 into 2, 1,20,000. Total is 3 lakh. Yes. And we will minus here access application money 90,000 and also minus calls in area. Calls in area. 2,000, oh sorry, 4,200. So the balance we have get 2,05,800. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in share first call, we will write 2,35,200. Now we will pass the journal entry for forfeiture. So for forfeiture, entry is share capital account debit to share forfeiture account. We can pass separate entry for Mohan and Sohan, or we can pass the journal entry together.
Okay, sir.
Allotment account, and in this we have also asked for first call, so share first call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, how much amount is paid by Mohan and Sohan? Mohan has paid this money, application money, 2,400. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And Sohan has paid 3,000.
Yes, sir.
So 3,000 and 2,400. Total 5,400 is received. So it will be forfeited. And we have given these two 1,200 shares. So 1,200 into 10. 12,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And on allotment, it will be 3,600 and it will be 4,800. Is this correct? Because we have done 1,200 into 3 and 1,200 into 4.
Sir, I'm confused.
Yes.
Sir, I'm a little confused.
Why?
Sir, the 1,200 is total of both Mohan and Sohan share.
Yes.
Into
Allotted.
into 3 is it the allotment money?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So then it is correct.
Actually, no, it is not correct. It is not like this simple. I told you that some of the allotment money is paid by them. Okay. The amount we don't receive is cancelled. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The amount we receive is included in share forfeiture.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we have to see how many shares we have allotted them. 600. Okay. And they have paid 3,000 on application. We have utilized only 1,800 on application. So 1,200 is utilized on allotment. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And total amount he has to pay was 3,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
3,000 along with premium. So premium is 1,200 in this. So excess money we have adjusted against premium. So the balance 1,800 is due from Sohan. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And how much money due from Mohan?
2,400.
2,400 means Sohan has paid the premium amount, but Mohan is not able to pay the premium also. Because 600 into 3 is the allotment money and 600 into 2 is premium. So total 3,000 he has to pay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And he has paid only 600 means it will not cover the premium part also.
Yes, sir.
In Sohan case, premium part is already covered here, 1,200. but in Mohan, it is not covered. So that's why 1800 for, yes, we were writing correctly. Okay. But there will be some change here, plus 600. Confused? We will write security premium here also. $600. Is this correct? Yes.
Whose premium amount is the 600?
Okay, I'm telling you about premium first. After that, we will understand this. Actually, there is a concept for premium that once you have received premium, it cannot be cancelled. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the premium amount which is not received will be cancelled.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in Mohan case, 600 premium is not received. Yes.
So Mohan's case?
Yes. Yes. In case of Mohan, only 600 premium is paid. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's why I have written. Now you have two options for solving these type of question, because we have to assume it is not given in the question. So we have to assume that excess money received from Mohan and Sohan will be utilized in premium first, or it will be utilized against allotment money first. So which one we should do? You can solve by any of these two options. Okay, it is correct by any of these two methods. But let's say, let's change this a little bit. If we are saying that amount is utilized against premium first, okay,
Okay, sir.
then how much premium we have received? We have received 1200 premium from Sohan and 600 premium from Mohan. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Total 1800.
Yes, sir.
So this will not be written 5400. It will be written 3600. And it will be written 4200. Now it is correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, you are a little confused about this, I think.
Sir.
What happened here? Okay, we were doing in, yes, this. I thought it is deleted. Okay, so now the second option. In this, we will write 12,000 here, and we will write full premium amount here. That is 600 into 1200 and 600 into 12, 2,400. Okay.
Yes, sir.
5,000. Okay. So on application money, Mohan has paid 2,400 and Sohan has paid 3,400. Okay. So Mohan has paid 5,400. Mohan and Sohan in combined. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the allotment money will be total of 2,400 and the due amount is 1800 here and 2400 due here. So 4800 and 4200. This is the correct situation. Now let us clear this. In first case, we have assumed that the amount received from Mohan and Sohan, because they have paid 3000. Actually, I'm writing here again because I have to go every time upper side. So 3000 has paid by Sohan and 2400 is paid by Mohan. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this 3000, 1800 is utilized because 600 into 3 application money, and same here 600 into 3 application 1800. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How much balance money we have left? 600, and here 1200.
Yes, sir.
And how much premium we have to receive from them? 600 into 2 and 600 into 2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in Sohan case, premium is covered, clear. But in Mohan case, 600 of premium amount is not received. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And also the allotment money is 600 into 3 also. 600 into 3, 1800 for both. It is also not received. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in allotment, there is two amount, premium and allotment money. Premium and allotment money. So allotment money is not received in full. 1800 we have not received for Sohan and also for Mohan. In both the cases, 1800 is not received. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And 600 of premium is also not received. So how much amount we have not received from Mohan and Sohan combined?
3600.
3600 for allotment plus 600 for premium. So total 4200.
Okay, sir.
So you can see I have written 4200 here.
Yes, sir.
And in second case, means in first call, it is clearly 1200 into 4. There is no premium in this, so 1200. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And premium not received is only 600.
Yes, sir.
So this is our first case.
Okay, sir.
It is going as a bouncer.
Sir, say what?
It is going like bouncer.
No, sir. Now I understood better with this explanation.
Okay. Now the second part means second option that we are doing. Okay. So in second option, again, the excess money is same, 1200 and 600.
Yes, sir.
But it is utilized first for allotment money, and allotment money is 1800 in both the cases.
Yes, sir.
600 into 3. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now 600 is balance in allotment money for Sohan, and 1200 is balance in allotment money for Mohan. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And how much the premium amount? 1200 for Sohan, 1200 for Mohan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
600 into 2, 600 into 2. In this case, we have utilized the money for premium first. So that's why there is only 600 balance for premium. But in this case, we have utilized the money for allotment first. So premium money is totally unpaid.
Yes, sir.
And there is some allotment money also left. So you can see 1200, 1200, 1200 and 600.
Yes, sir.
And how much premium money we have not received? It is 2400.
Okay, total. Yes, sir.
So 2400 premium we have not received. So it is cancelled. And 4200 on allotment by totaling this. In both the cases, actually, we are getting same amount, but the combination is different. In 4200 here, only 600 is for premium and the balance 3600 is for allotment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in this 4200, 2400 for premium and the balance 1800 for allotment money, which is this.
Okay, sir.
And the last one is 4800, that is 1200. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So actually, if you don't solve this question at home, then you will not understood a single part